The UK Armed Forces says it has now regained control of both its Twitter and YouTube accounts after they were briefly hacked by an unknown source. Over the weekend, instead of the usual authorised content, the UK Army's official YouTube channel looked like this. As you can see, it was renamed and its videos were replaced by a feed promoting various cryptocurrencies, including one image of Tesla CEO and billionaire Elon Musk. The Army's official Twitter account was also compromised. It too was renamed and it was used to share posts about various NFTs. Those are non-fungible tokens, unique digital images that can be bought and sold online. This lasted for a number of hours, but the Army says that the issue was then resolved. They posted a tweet later on their official account apologising for the temporary interruption to their Twitter feed, saying they are conducting a full investigation into the matter and are hoping to learn from it. It's not exactly clear who is behind this hacking attempt. Of course, it's not the first time that a major profile or indeed a verified Twitter profile has been compromised in recent years. And there has been concern in both the UK and other Western countries about potential state-sponsored hacking from Russia. But the Army has not identified who they believe was behind this hacking attempt. The Ministry of Defence in the UK says they are taking this matter extremely seriously, and until this investigation is complete, they are not commenting any further.